A student from this school entered the Guinness Book of World Records, leading 3,782 other dancers in a breathtaking classical performance. Another student from this very same school represented India at the Mount Everest International Karate Championship. And yet another student rose to national attention as an Under-19 Cricket World Cup standout. Different dreams, different disciplines, but just one environment that made excellence a habit. So what do champions and future leaders have in common? Let me tell you. Well, it's the Academic Heights Public School. It is that school where talent and success never wait for luck. Rather, it's where they grow on the right stage with the right guidance and at the right time. And honestly, who wouldn't want that? Students want more than marks. Parents want more marks and a secure future. And the right school gives you both. So students and parents, welcome to the AHPS world. Backed by India's leading preschool brand, which is Bachpan Play School, AHPS is its formal K-12 extension and a name that has led education space for more than 22 years. At AHPS, education feels like a real-life adventure. For today, you can even think of it as an interesting game with 8 powerful levels, where every grade takes you higher and every level builds confidence, clarity, and character. So, come join me in the adventure because Level 1 begins now. Level 1, Infrastructure. Open the gate and look around. Clean, spacious classrooms, big windows, and smart board that makes the learning interactive, not only decorative. So lessons on screen, learning saved and shared. Now, let's walk down the corridors that are wide enough for easy movement, that are bright enough to feel safe, and are bustling with questions, curiosity, and joy. AHPS is that world-class infrastructure that supports sports, academics, culture, and whatnot. And let me tell you, AHPS is that campus where students love walking into. And it is that very same campus where parents feel proud connected to. Level 2 unlocked, the Sprout curriculum. Now, you just saw the classrooms and other learning spaces, didn't you? Now, imagine what actually happens inside them. Sprout curriculum deserves a full video of its own, and yes, there is one. But here is a head start. Sprout is not that typical curriculum which stops at syllabus and textbooks. Instead, Sprout is India's one of the most robust framework which aligns with NEP 2020 and NCF 2023, designed to keep the pace with the real world. Lessons move beyond the blackboard through price-smart, smart class learning and creative teaching, learning materials that are crafted in-house. Project-based learning replaces, rote memorization. Classrooms themselves turn into mini labs, studio, and idea rooms. The result? Students, who can think, who can collaborate and translate their learning into real skills. All this is to say, the AHPS infrastructure gives space, but the AHPS Sprout curriculum gives direction. Level 3 unlocked, the book sets. At AHPS, books are not random or about heavier school bags. Instead, they are thoughtfully structured and divided term-wise, so students carry only what they need for that phase of learning, not an entire year's load. This means lighter school bags and sharper focus without compromising on depth or quality. Now, most importantly, AHPS books are smarter learning tools that are developed in-house by some of country's leading educators, strictly following CBSE and NCERT guidelines, where every book is age-appropriate and designed to build understanding step by step. Open a book and you'll find questions that make students think, tasks that ask them to apply, and activities that connect learning to real life. So, no guesswork, no unnecessary pressure. For classes 1 to 5 in particular, learning continues even after the school bell with Silk Kits. Now this is interesting because Silk Kits are activity-based kits for STEAM learning at home, which activates both left brain and the right brain of a child. Now think puzzles, hand-on tasks, creative challenges, and thinking games that make learning stick. And you got it. Level 4 unlocks now, the programs at the AHPS. Now this level is where the school starts feeling like the main event, a grand tournament. Every year, the Academic Heights Public School hosts mega competitions, a 3-day high-energy event that brings together 1,000+ AHPsians for 100+ competitions in fine arts, performing arts, academics, sports, coding, and so much more. Now, if dance is your language, then the AHPS Bachpan competition of dance puts you exclusively in the spotlight. Well, if business ideas excite you, then the Decode Startup introduces entrepreneurship through real-world problem solving. If culture and awareness matters to you, then the AHPS Knowledge Exchange opportunity opens the global perspectives for you. If photography and storytelling are your thing, then the creative lens sharpens your eyes. Well, if academics are your strength, then the Olympiads test depth and discipline in you. If courage defines you, then Born to Win builds resilience in you. If music moves you, then the Singing Idol gives your voice a stage. We also have the Saturday Clubs, which is a weekly club where students do hands-on creative activities which caters to their curiosity and they learn the life skills. And for the students who are still figuring out where they shine, these programs run throughout the year. And add to this UDAN, which is a regular career counseling program at AHPS, which is led by the industry experts. I think let's take a brief pause here and let the amazingness of the AHPS world sink in. Level 4 is complete now. Now comes Level 5. Advanced Subject Labs. At Academic Heights, curiosity is encouraged and learning is allowed to get its hands dirty. Whoa, chemistry stops being scary in the chemistry lab. Formulas start moving in the physics lab. Life science makes sense inside the biology lab. In the computer lab, logic turns into code and ideas turn digital. In the robotics labs, children don't only ask what technology can do, rather they build it on their own. Then comes the dance and music lab because expression is part of education too. And then there is the crown jewel, the AHPS library. With across 15,000 carefully curated books across subjects, languages, and genre. It's a space where curiosity runs free and where children can dive themselves into exploring ideas, adventure, research projects, or simply lose themselves in a story. And finally, the space that students remember the most, the Experiential Learning Lab, packed with 200+ TLMs that breaks complex ideas into something that students can see, touch, and retain. Level 6 unlocked, the 360-degree app. What if parents always knew what was happening with their child? What if homework, schedules, and circulars about their child never went missing? What if students walked into the class already prepared? Well, that's the 360-degree app at Academic Heights Public School, an all-in-one automation platform that connects classrooms, teachers, students, parents, and the school management in real time. For parents, it means no chasing information and no last-minute surprises. For students, it means structure and independence, learning resources, e-books, worksheets, 500+ hours of educational video content, and timetables are always within reach, which helps them stay organized and accountable. So you see now, one app, one system, and one clear view of school life. With this, Level 6 is complete. Now comes Level 7, the sports. Step outside and bam! The sports ground is everything a kid needs for physical as well as socio-emotional development. The football field is big enough for real matches. The basketball courts see drills, fast breaks, and the buzzer beaters that sharpen focus and coordination. Step outside and we have a proper playground where children run, fall, get back up, and learn the teamwork in the real way. Level 8 unlocked, the teachers. This is the final level of this adventurous video and it's the one that matters the most. Of course, buildings can impress, technology can support, programs can excite, but then let's be honest, buildings don't teach, smart boards don't motivate, and apps don't remind children to believe in themselves. So in the end, it all comes down to teachers. And we are very proud to share that at AHPS, teachers come with strong academic qualifications, professional training, and years of real classroom experience. They know their subject inside out and they know children even better. Well, every lesson is planned and no child goes unnoticed. Professional, caring, and deeply invested teachers at AHPS, they explain it to make sense. They catch small doubts before they become big fears. They push when there is potential and they pause when there is pressure. For parents, all this means peace of mind. And for students, it means someone always has their back. So today we explored 8 distinguishing factors of Academic Heights Public School. 8 levels of one exciting adventure, each more exciting than the last one. We stepped into world-class infrastructure that inspires learning. We discovered the AHPS Proud Curriculum, future-ready, experiential. We saw thoughtfully designed book sets that make learning meaningful. We entered competitive programs that test talent and build confidence. We explored advanced subject labs for hands-on learning. We experienced the 360-degree app that keeps everyone connected. And finally, we met the teachers who bring it all together. So, if this adventurous school tour video inspired you, then do hit the like button. If it sparked a thought, then do ask us in the comments below. And if you want to be part of this amazing Academic Heights school journey, then do click the subscribe button. Or better, enroll yourself today.